Hi, Chemo. I know. I know, baby. There are ducks in your pasture. Hey, Patches, my ever-present shadow. Look at these guys. Okay, the triplets are over there. What do you call 13 babies besides a flock? There are the triplets with their mommy, mommy number 1. And here are some of the 13. Well, actually, it's a dozen, and then the one. And we can scan over here and see mommy with one of her babies close by. Enjoying time out of her coop, I suppose. I hope so. I know they feel safest in their coops.